Okay, welcome to Shabita Uganda e-learning. This is our email and my telephone number. My name is Nelson. Okay, so in this lesson we want to continue more about these decimals, and we are able to look at a lot as concerned in decimals. We looked at arranging these decimals, ascending, descending. We looked at subtraction, multiplication, addition of these decimals. So we looked at some tryout question on multiplication of multiplication of these decimals, and we were able to handle a few numbers. So we are still remaining with our number 3, number 4, number 5, and that's what we want to handle in this lesson. So we want to look at our number 3, which is 30.this times 10, and we explained some of other numbers, which like our number 1 and our number 2. So we also proved out the numbers, our methods, and we proved that all of them, when you use, you get the same answer. So we are going to use to try out some other sample questions, which was our question 3. Okay, our question 3 was get a pen here. Our question 3 was we had what we call our solution number 3. Solution number 3, we had our question as what? 30.72 times 10. Okay, so now this is the number that we have. We said that in this number of hours, when you have been given this and you are multiplying by this 10, what to do is to ensure that we change these numbers of hours, that when you have a 0 here, this 0 makes our point here to shift to another place. Okay, so in that we can also use this as our 0.7 2 times 10. When you have a 0 here, it makes this point to shift. Okay, so now here we shall be having our answer as 307. Then our point has shifted because of this 1 0. That is going to be 0.2. Okay, so also if it is using another method, which is 3.72 times 10. Remember, we want to eliminate the point, which is 30.72. We shall be able to get our what? Okay, our 30 out of what? Out of 100. Then we multiply this by what? By our 10. Okay, we want to eliminate this, such that now here we can be able to cancel this and remain with our 30. Okay, 72. We divide by what? Divide by 10. So this number, you can still use our long division and get the same what? You still be able to get the same number as our 307.2. Okay, we had proved this in our recent lesson, and how we can get this number when you divide this. Even when you use long division, you can be able to get the same what? The same answer. Okay, so let's also try out another number, which is 0.733 times 100. Okay, so now here we can say this is the same as our 0.733 out of what? Out of 1,000 times 100. Okay, so now here we can cancel our 2 zeros remain with 733 out of 10. Okay, this is going to be 10. What do we get here? Okay, what do we get here? We shall get our 73 point what? 0.3. Okay, when you prove this by long division, okay, this is 7, this is 10. Okay, we can try out a 7, and this becomes 70. Okay, so we shall have our 3 here, and this is going to be a 0. Subtraction. So now we bring our 3 here, becomes 30. So when you try 3 times 10, we say that's going to be our what? Our 30. Subtract, here we'll get a 3, here we'll get a 0. So 3 divided by 10, which is impossible. We put a point, put 30 here. 3 divided by 10, we get 3 divided by 10, 3 times 10, 30. Okay, so now here we've been able to get our what? Our 73.3. That's how we can use that method also to solve different numbers. Let's also try out our next number. Okay, our next what? Our next number. Where should we try it from? Can we try it from somewhere here? Okay, we can try it from somewhere here. So our last number is 3. Is we have our 8.375 times 100. Okay, so here we should be able to get our 8.375 times 100. We said this moves how many times? We have 1, 2. Going to move one step, second step. So shall be able to get our answers 837.5. That should be our what? Our answer. So this is how we use a couple of methods to ensure that we get the right answers as far as multiplication of decimals. So in our next lesson, we want to be looking at more of division of these decimals. Okay, so for this we shall be able to look at that in our next lesson. So thank you very much for being part of this session, and wish you the best. God bless you. See you in the next lesson.